Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be painting this beautiful seascape. So for that, I am taking a canvas board. You can take any surface of your choice. So first, I am dividing the space for sky and sea using the masking tape. And I am taking white, Persian blue and cobalt blue. And to paint the sky, I am taking a large flat brush. So let's first paint the sky. So by mixing white and blue, I've created a light blue color and applying it on the sky. And now to make some clouds, I am taking a small flat brush. And I am taking some white color and just smudging the color where I want some clouds. You can also use fingers for this. So now in the second step, we will paint sea. So for that, I have mixed a Persian blue and green color to make some turquoise color and applying it with the help of flat brush. So now to paint the sand area, I have mixed mustard yellow and some white color and applying it with the help of a flat brush. So actually this is the base layer, this is my first layer, and that's why I'm not blending the sea area and the land area properly because I will apply the second layer on the top of it. So my first layer has dried completely and I'm applying the second layer. So for that I'm mixing blue and white color to make a light blue color and applying it on the sea area. So now I'm again painting the sand area, but this time with a lighter color. And now to blend both the colors from sea and sand, I am applying white color. I am taking pure white color and will blend this area. So now I've got a very smooth and beautiful surface, and now we will add some details. So now to make some waves, I've taken a small flat brush and just making some waves randomly. And now to add some more depth to the waves, I'm using the darker shade of blue. And to make some highlights, I'm using a very light blue color. You can also use white color for this. And now to paint some sea foam on the sand, I'm taking a 0 size round brush and first I'm making an outline. And to give it a very foamy texture, I'm using a thick layer of a white color and applying it on the outline. And now I'm smudging it a little bit to create some more texture. And with the help of a 0 size round brush and white color, I'm making some more foam. And I'm just applying it randomly and making some patterns. And now we will paint some leaves on the top of the canvas. So for that I'm taking a 0 size round brush and first I'm making the markings where I want some leaves. So the first layer of the leaves I am making it with a dark green along with some sap green. And to make these leaves, just apply a very light pressure on the brush. So now I will paint some more leaves. So just do it very patiently and slowly and just fill it very nicely. So to make the second layer of the leaves, I've mixed white, green and some yellow color, and I'm again painting some leaves as a second layer. Now in the final step, I'm adding some highlights on all the leaves using lemon yellow color. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and give a big thumbs up, and you can also follow me on my Instagram page. So I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe and keep learning. Bye bye.